Quality vices designed and engineered in the USA since 1908. Yost Vises has provided high-quality vices to professionals, woodworkers, machinists, tradespeople, and homes craftsmen and women around the globe. Built with a tradition of quality and craftsmanship, using modern manufacturing technology for precise tolerances, smooth operation, and unparalleled long-term durability. Yost Vises deliver a dependable vise to fit any need that you have, whether you're making a living with your vise or if you're just the type that needs a dependable third hand in the garage. Our complete lineup of professional equipment has the right vise for you. Yost offers many different jaw styles of the traditional bench vise, as well as woodworking vices, machinist vices, and a huge variety of different clamps, but we know no two jobs are the same, and we allow you to modify and tweak your setup with optional extras and upgrades. Yost Vises. Get a grip.